Hey there shoppers, it's Amy and I am so excited to be talking to you today about one of the coolest security cameras that I've ever covered. This thing, it just works, it's amazing, and it's so easy to use. Even if you are like me and you rent an apartment, this is something that you can put up because it is totally wire-free and it's so easy to install. This is a wire-free FHD security camera. The style and design is really unique and really cool. I will show you guys that right now. So this is the actual security camera right here. You can see it's got camera on the front. This is what it looks like. Very sleek, very nice. It's all up in my lights, but this is going to look great in your home, and it's really quite small. So whether it's on the outside of your house or up in a corner, this is going to be something that just fits in with your decor and doesn't really stand out too much, you know? Very modern and nice looking. That's important. So this is the cool part, because this is how it attaches wire-free to anywhere in your home or outside of your home, because it's waterproof. We'll go into that in a minute though. So this is the attachment bracket to your wall, which you can do one of two different ways. First off, you can go the old school way, and we have, you know, your screws and brackets and everything all included. You can do that in. Or if this is something that you're going to be moving around, or you aren't allowed to, you know, put holes in your wall, or you don't want to for whatever reason, they include one of these M3 stick things. These are fantastic, amazing. They just work, and this is very lightweight, so it's definitely going to hold up there for you. That fits perfectly on the back here. Amazing, right? So either way you want to put this up, crazy easy, super fast installation. You put this right on your wall, wherever you want your camera to go. And then here's the cool part. Boom. This is a hardcore magnet, and it fits right in there. You can adjust the angle because it is circular. You see that? So you can have this pointed in wherever you want it to go. But keep in mind that this camera does have a 180-degree field of vision. So it's going to be able to see the entire room, line to line. There's going to be no dark spots, no missed spots, blind spots, anything like that. It's going to catch it all. Really fantastic. Super easy installation, totally wire-free. And here's the cool part. There are batteries on the inside. I will show you that on screen. They are rechargeable, and it comes with your charging cable, the outlet that goes in there. You hook this in there and then hook that, charge it right in the back. So easy. The batteries last for a really long time. Your results will vary depending on, you know, how much motion tracking goes on, that sort of thing. But generally speaking, the average user will only have to recharge the device once every 6 months. That's incredible. Like I said, this is truly wire-free. It's really easy to use, and it's something that you can recharge the battery so you don't constantly have to, you know, buy new things. Just totally incredible. Unlike most any of the other security cameras I've seen on the market, this one is just really user-friendly and really great if you live in an apartment, if you are going to be moving this around, or if you're going to be moving anything like that. This is so convenient. Definitely love it. As far as everything else goes, like I said, it has 180-degree field of vision. Everything is going to be in really super high definition resolution, 1080p, absolutely fantastic, crystal clear picture. I mentioned the motion sensor before, that it is a PIR motion detection sensor, and it will send you alerts to either your Android or your iOS device. So if you want to be alerted anytime something is moving in whatever room or outside your home or your backyard, it's gonna let you know. So how safe and, you know, peace of mind and secure is that? Just totally fantastic. Like I mentioned previously, it's indoor or outdoor because it's water resistant. So if you are wanting to use this in your backyard or your garage or front drive, anything like that, this is going to be perfect for that. It works with their cloud recording service, which is super secure. I'm talking bank level security, everything's encrypted. You can do that with confidence, and they have a lot of different plans, or 7 days of free recording and storage, or you can get your own memory card and keep everything in-house that way. But either way you go, you're going to be able to not only use your iOS device or your Android device to see real time what's going on, you're going to be able to look backwards and figure out what's going on as well. So I love that feature. Just makes sense, you know. This works with your Google Assistant. It works with your Alexa. I don't want to say her name too loud. So it plays well with others. It's going to be really, really easy to set up. All you have to do is go to their website, and it connects via Bluetooth to your Wi-Fi. Could not be easier installation. Like I said, I'm talking 3 screws or a sticker, and go to the website and let Bluetooth integrate with your Wi-Fi. It's that easy. This is just fantastic. I have the SpotCam EVA 2 as well. It's an amazing product. It just makes me feel so much more peace of mind whenever I am out for the day or on vacation, or I leave my house alone. I just know that at any moment I can look and see what's going on. I'm gonna be alerted if there's motion, and you know, it just gives me that peace of mind. I can even go back and see if something were to happen. I can go back with their cloud recording service and look and see, you know, like, okay, what happened on Tuesday morning, or what happened last week. And that's just completely incredible, totally affordable, totally worth the peace of mind. And like I said, with this model, I love how easy the installation is, that there are no wires, no cords, and nothing that you have to deal with, no eyesores. And as far as recharging goes, the batteries are rechargeable. You don't have to buy batteries endlessly over and over again. You just recharge them once every 6 months. It doesn't get any easier than that. Incredible product. You guys go ahead and pick one up today. You and your family are going to be so, so happy you did.